Yep, I have excellent team working skills. I work in teams on a regular basis at university. I believe that the key to good team working is effective communication, and I can fully appreciate that these skills will be vital in this role. I'm probably the best team worker I know. I cooperate with my classmates so well, and I'm probably better at teamwork than most of them. I was even awarded the Best Team Player award by myself last year, carrying my team through most of a group project with my awesome leadership and team building skills. I have developed my team working skills in a number of ways. For example, working as a volunteer in a local charity shop, we were recently asked to organize a special event in the lead up to Christmas. We worked in a team of 4 to brainstorm ideas, outline the event, and allocate tasks and responsibilities. I was responsible for coordinating our Christmas themed stock from a number of suppliers. I also assisted my colleague to arrange catering when they were struggling for time. We met on a weekly basis to check that we were on track and to discuss any problems. In the end, our event went extremely well. We set a new record for sales over the Christmas period, and there was even a queue outside the shop at one point.